Friends, hello, greetings. I hope all is well in the world of your world and investing in the stock market. Been a little bit of a rough week here so far in the market. It's the first day of February and drama continues to plague the stock market. And Jerome Powell is still putting rates up to the sky. But this could possibly be a big setup for the next bull market next year maybe. Friends, let's talk about Bed Bath & Beyond, what's going on here. So obviously, once again, the company is saying, hey, we may have to close up shop here. They're closing down more stores, 87 to be exact. Woo! And they're getting in a little trouble right now with JP Morgan. Let's read out what's going on here. So last week, the company warned in a regulatory filing that it received a notice of default from its lender, JP Morgan Chase. Oh boy. The company said that at the time, the company does not have significant resources to repay the amounts under the credit facilities, and this will lead the company to consider all strategic alternatives, including restructuring its debt under the U.S. bankruptcy code. So it could have to file Chapter 11 bankruptcy here, what we're seeing. So, we're back at it again. This is really what started a rally with AMC, what started a rally with Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond, if you don't know, you may know, but here's what I can, tell you is that when we had that whole AMC GameStop rally, those were two of the biggest companies, two of the biggest stocks that took a massive run up with all these apes, these investors, just people running it up because Wall Street was betting against these companies, and Bed Bath & Beyond was right in that circled too. Bed Bath & Beyond had a run up as well. Not near as much as those other stocks that we saw, but they were being pushed around quite a bit. Now, will we see another rally with this? Obviously, we know once again the big, these big analysts, these big firms, they're betting against Bed Bath & Beyond, and you know what? They have every right to because the company is losing money and it's not going good. Eventually, the doors will be shut. But this is what is setting up a fire under a lot of investors right now, where they're going, you know what? We did it once, we can do it again. So it's a very interesting fight that could happen here. I mean, this would be as a fan of the market, a fan of investors, and just a fan of people winning in the market, the common man winning and beating the institution. It would be so amazing to see Bed Bath & Beyond be pushed up again and have the company would have massive amounts of money coming in through their stock shares, and investors would be making money as well. So could this happen again in an alternate universe? Sure, why not? We've seen crazier things in the stock market. Looking at the stock right now, on January 12th, it was sitting around a $5 mark, 5 and we'll say 20 cents there. Now it has fallen even more with all this news coming out, and it was already pushed a little bit. It fell to $1.31 and it was pushed all the way to $5. So there still could be another push. And here's the thing too, what you need to know. When AMC, and friends, before I say any more, I'm not promoting that this is going to happen. I'm just saying let's follow the breadcrumbs here. I'm not saying this is going to be the next GameStop or AMC. I'm just saying, once again, follow the breadcrumbs. But before AMC and GameStop broke away and just did their own thing and took off, they were having small little pushes like this. GameStop went down to $1.30, and then it shot up to $3.50. Then it went down a little bit more, shot up to $5.50. It went down a little more, then shot up to $8.50. And we kept seeing this. And of course, when it hit $8.50, I think a lot of people were like, all right, well, we've won. And then it just kept doing this, and then it just got out of control. With these little bumps we're seeing right now take place, it's not crazy to think that we couldn't see a little more here. And obviously with institutions, big institutions, putting puts against Bed Bath & Beyond right now, we could definitely see it take a run. But like I said, I am not promoting, I don't have insider information that this is happening. Like I said, I'm just following the crumbs, the puzzle pieces right now, what could possibly be trying to happen here Today, we didn't see massive volume, and volume has been here and there with Bed Bath & Beyond. It's been the last 5 days with this stock have been a really up and down situation, and it's being traded, switched, handed back and forth quite a bit. I mean, it's definitely something. If you're a short trader, definitely like follow the map right now. On a candlestick chart here, we could possibly be seeing this being set up for something a little bit more here. So looking at the rest of February here, we could possibly see February be a little bit lacking of what January brought with numbers. I say that just because we know that the Feds are going to hike up rates again. Housing market, we keep hearing more and more that it's going down. I don't think it's crashing this month at all, but what does concern me right now is that things are heating up even more overseas with all this Ukraine, Russia, and NATO situation going on. So that right there is going to damage the market if bad things continue to happen to where it just floods over into the market and investors get scared, companies get scared, and who knows what could happen with that situation. So I am hopeful, I am excited, and I think Bed Bath & Beyond is something that we do need to watch, and that I think is something that is going to be a fun little run here. I don't think it's done. I think we may continue to see runs here with it, and possibly, like I said, follow the breadcrumbs, and it could have a really big run. It's done it before. Why couldn't it do it again? Look at the past history of this stock. So friends, I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye everyone.